In this video, we'll teach you how to deposit money on Pocket Option using Trust Wallet. First of all, you need to log into your Pocket Option account. Then you need to click Finance on the left menu and go to the deposit. And then you need to find the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. So, for example, you have got available Bitcoin balance on your Trust Wallet account. You can deposit Bitcoin. So let's choose Bitcoin. The minimum deposit amount is $5 worth Bitcoin. So for example, let's choose $50. And you can also apply the promo code. It gives you some bonuses if you're new on Pocket Option. And after you will select the deposit amount, then you need to click Continue and Pay on the right side. And after that, you need to read this note. In order to get your Bitcoin payment proceed automatically, use only Bitcoin network for your transfer. Failure to meet one of the requirements will result in the loss of funds. So you need to copy this wallet address and you need to send Bitcoin to this wallet address using your Trust Wallet account. I will show you how to do it, and you need to send this amount of Bitcoin. After that, you need to take your phone and go to your Trust Wallet account. Then you need to find the Bitcoin, which is right here. Click on it and click Send. In the top, you need to paste the wallet address from Pocket Option. And in the bottom, you need to put the exact amount of BTC from the Pocket Option. So 0.0004388. So we need to send the exact amount of Bitcoin, then click the next button in the bottom and finalize the transaction. In a few minutes, you can check your Pocket Option account. You will receive your Bitcoin on your balance. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.